Okay. So basically, the application will have a trial sessions with teachers now. For example, if I want to take a trial session from a teacher, penal man, so I can just ask her for an appointment, and she can allot me three timings according to her schedule. Okay, these three appointments are available, and I can select one appointment, and then I can take a trial with her for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So this is how you're going to save so much of time and money for both teacher as well as the student.
Great,
In
great.
that, I don't have to travel somewhere. I don't have to ask anyone to come to my studio, or I don't have to ask penal ma'am to take out extra time and come to the place and give in.
Yeah.
Uh, Everything is done on video call. If I am okay with what penal ma'am is teaching, I can just enroll my kid and get it taught.
Wow.
It's going to be very simple for a lot of parents, because I think you're going to save a lot of environment also.
Hmm.
When you're not picking up your car, or you're not taking auto to
Yeah.
meet somewhere, you're going to save a lot of environment.
Your time as well.
Time, a lot of time, a lot of money is saved, because right now time is absolutely money. If you're traveling somewhere, you're spending 200 rupees of cab, or your petrol expenses. Everything is saved there.
Yeah, yeah. So all the teachers out there, we have a new Instagram coming up only just for teachers. Yes. Okay. Nikhil, that was really insightful. Wonderful it is. Now it's time for some games. Okay. So are you ready with me?
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah. So the game is rapid fire, as the name suggests. I'll give you quick questions, and whatever comes to your minds first, that is my answer. Okay. Shall we begin? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Tell me the age of your oldest student.
72.
Oh, wow. Okay. What would you say to a person who would tell you dance तो खाली time pass के लिए होता है?
So he don't know how to live a life.
Oh, nice. Okay. Bachata or Bollywood freestyle? Which dance would you go for?
Depending where I am. If I have a partner with me, it's good for bachata. If I'm dancing in a wedding, it's freestyle.
Yes, of course. Okay. In one line, why color black is your color?
I think the black is a color of achievement. So I always feel that I have to achieve something. So I'm already prepared for it.
Only Nikhil could turn black color into a positive aspect. Okay. If you could wake up in the morning gaining one quality, what would that be?
Getting one quality.
Yeah, gaining one
I
quality.
have to stop overthinking. That's one quality I really want.
Okay, okay. What do you value the most in a friendship?
What do I value the most in friendship?
Yeah,
It's the trust.
it's the trust. Wow, beautiful. And what were you in high school?
What was I in high school?
Yeah.
In what content are you asking that?
In general, how were you? Were you mischievous? Were you really studious?
Very introvert person.
Oh,
Nothing much.
really?
Yeah, I have never ever taken a part in a speech or a debate competition, because I was very nervous going on the stage.
Now look who has conquered the stage. Okay, and now it's time for a silly riddle. Okay, how many dance teachers would it require to change a light bulb?
To change a life,
A light bulb.
how many dance teachers will it require to change a light bulb?
Yeah.
I think a student can do that easily.
Sorry?
A single
Pardon?
student can do that.
Oh no. So the answer goes 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Okay, that was nice. That was fun. I had a great time. What about you?
Thank you so much. I was really enjoyed the session.
Okay, nice. So, Nikhil, one message that you would like to give to the listeners of Perky Podcast and the readers of Positive Day newspaper.
I think one message I would like to give is, firstly, it's a very wonderful initiative to have a newspaper which is absolutely filled with only positiveness.
Yeah.
And regarding the podcast also, if something inspires you, nothing like it. Always stay connected to it, whether it's a podcast or a newspaper. So I think if something is inspiring you to be positive in a daily routine life, I think nothing like it. So it's great.
And you went through our edition of Positive Day newspaper. Your reviews about it?
So it's a wonderful initiative. I must tell you that. There's one thing I would want. my son or maybe my family or my friends to get up and get up with that. So if you like a bed tea, I think you should like a positive newspaper.
Wow, beautiful. Thank you so much. And Nikhil, I would like to know, how could a layman connect to you or with the maestros? How can they connect with you?
So we have a proper email, that's info@maestrosindia.com. They can mail us there. We have a common number of office number, that is 8100 Anyone who wants to get connected to maestros or even dancing with them, you can
Okay.
just put in
Okay.
the
And what
number.
about they want to connect with you, the Vibe Dance Classes by Nikhil Dhingra?
I think they can connect to the same number and everything is in how the team will reward it to you. So it's very easy.
Okay. Okay. And one simple tip that could help our readers and listeners to lead a positive life.
I think what I'm trying to do it with myself is stop overthinking, because
Mm,
overthinking will lead you to sadness. So if you
right.
really want to live a positive life, ignorance is a bliss. So just ignore and move ahead in life.
Go
If you
with
don't
the
like
flow. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. And Nikhil, one small sweet request that is from my end. If we could just dance on a Bollywood number, like I love Gungru. So if you want, we could go with that. I don't mind if you're sitting and we can do it. So you could just show me something and I would love to copy it.
you want to copy Gungru wala lines. Okay. So you want to play the music right now?
I have the music with me. I was so sure that you'll say a yes to me. So you want to be seated? Is it okay with you? Okay.
I'll give you a rhythm how it is. We should always follow the beats, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll
Yeah.
give you the rhythm. You
Yeah.
can dance, sit and dance easily.
ठीक है. Okay, great. So should I play it?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
It's coming to sand and the sea and the night and I'm feeling alright, and we're feeling alright.
Okay. So
Your hands on the side. 1, 2, 3, and clap. Clap on the fourth.
okay.
And do the other side.
One.
5, 6, 7, and clap.
Okay.
And this is move with the music. So 8 beats, 4 is a clap, 8 is a
Right.
clap.
Okay.
Let's do the music.
Okay. From the beginning.
Yeah. I'll give it on.
It's coming to sand and the sea and the night and I'm feeling alright, and we're feeling alright.
Again.
क्यों लम्हे खराब करे.
Okay, that was amazing. Would you like to go ahead? I'm sure my listeners and readers would have a great time.
I know they will love to do that, but I think they can just go and follow the simplest basics. That's what I teach every day.
Yes, yes. Oh, yes, we do that. We really follow you on that. It's really amazing. And it has helped someone like me with 2 left feet dance very better at a social gathering. Okay. So, Nikhil, thank you so much for your time. Nikhil, thank you so much for your smile. You're always smiling. That really lights up the room. Nikhil, thank you so much for your wonderful, beautiful efforts that you've put in the Maestros. Nikhil, thank you so much for teaching me this little jives that we are going to follow. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Nikhil. Thank you so much. Thank you, readers and listeners. Follow Positive Day newspaper on Instagram and on Facebook. You can connect with us on Telegram as well as WhatsApp. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.